In Windows Vista, the System Restore feature lets you freeze the state of your system's files at any point in time. It allows you to undo any changes that you make from that point forward, but without having any effect on your personal files. For example, suppose you install a new printer driver, then all of a sudden your computer is crashing. As long as you have Windows System Protection enabled, you can easily go back to the state that your computer was in before that failed install. Fortunately, you don't have to manually set restore points every time you make a change. As long as System Protection is enabled, Windows Vista will automatically create a restore point every day, as well as every time that something major happens, like a major update, a driver install, etc. That said, I'm going to show you how to make sure that System Protection is enabled and will manually create a restore point. This will set us up for the next tutorial that will show you how to use the System Restore feature when your computer won't boot. Alright, so first we're going to click on Start, then we're going to go to the Control Panel. And note that we've got the Control Panel Home set here, not Classic View. Then we're going to come up here and we're going to click on System and Maintenance. And then we're going to come down and click on System. Now, over on the left, under the Task menu here, we're going to come down to System Protection and click that. And we'll give it access to open. And there we go. Alright, now as you can see, I have mine set up to automatically do my C drive, which is the only drive I have on this computer. And you can see that the last time that a restore point was made was 3/28/2008 at 10:19, which was actually just a few hours ago. Now keep in mind that you have to have your drives formatted NTFS. If you've got FAT formatted drives, System Restore is not going to work. So if you're formatted FAT, I would definitely convert it, and you can look up a tutorial for that as well. So as I said, it automatically will create a restore point as long as it's enabled here. But let's make one manually right now. We'll come down here, we'll click on Create, and we'll give it a name, My Restore Point. And then simply click Create. And we'll take a moment. And there we are. And that's really all there is to it. So as long as I'm showing you how to make the restore points, I'm also going to show you how to delete them because, they can take up some space. I believe they take up 300 megs of space on your drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Start again. We're going to go to All Programs. Then we'll go to Accessories. And then down here to System Tools. And we'll come down here to Disk Cleanup. And once this opens, we'll go to Files from all users on this computer. Click that. Give it permission. And this will take a moment to scan your system, so I'll pause. Okay, now once it comes up, as you can see, there's lots of things you can do here, but we're just dealing with one thing right now. We're doing the System Restore. So we're going to go over to the More options here and then click Cleanup. And this will cause us to delete everything except for the last restore that we made, which we just made together. So we're going to click on Delete, and then we're going to click OK, delete files again, and it'll go ahead and delete everything, and that'll do it. So that's the end of this tutorial. Now obviously this was very simple, but this was kind of a prerequisite to the next tutorial, as I'd indicated before, which will show you how to actually restore. So take care and enjoy.